Getting right into the video, I'm going to be using the Prism Lights Bleach in the color Violet. This takes out yellows and golds. Now I'm going to go in with the 40 Developer from Salon Care. And I use 40 because it works faster. But mind you, you must watch it like every 5 to 10 minutes after you put it on. So this is the consistency that I want. I feel like this doesn't seep through my hair, which you'll see when I take the wig off the mannequin head. But now I'm just going to place that all on my lace, and I'm going to do it very gently so that it doesn't go through the lace. Being that we jump right into the video, I forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press that bell to stay tuned with more videos. And I'm not going to ramble on any longer. I'm going to let you guys watch, and I'll see y'all at the end of the video. So now that I'm done putting the bleach on, I like to take the wig off and look on the lace to see if anything seeped through. But as I'm showing you guys, nothing seeped through the lace. So I'm good. I'm just going to sit that on the table after I take it off. So now I'm going to show you, after I wash the bleach off, my closure still looks a little brassy. And that's what I'm showing you underneath, and you don't want that. So what I'm going to do is go in with the generic version of the Shimmer Lights. This is just a shampoo, but it works just as the high-end version. So right now I'm just combing the hair out, and when I turn it around, you'll see the finished look. You guys, this is what you want your closure or your frontal to look like. It's pluck correct, it's bleach correct, and I'll do a video on me plucking a wig next. I also have a video and a picture of the wig on my head. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you on my next video.
VIVA.